Sri Gurubhyo Namah children, let us continue with the next classification. In the first video, I told about the classification based on hybridization. There we have seen sp3 hybridization because I have talked about the saturated hydrocarbons. I have told about the saturated hydrocarbons where single bond where there was between carbon and hydrogen, and OH is attached to the carbon where the hybridization of carbon is sp3, and based on that I told about the classification also. The next classification is based on sp2 hybridization. Classification of alcohols based on sp2 hybridization. Classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols based on sp2 hybridization. Based on sp2 hybridization. Classification of alcohol based on sp2 hybridization. So, based on sp2 hybridization, there are two classifications. One is vinyl alcohol. One is vinyl alcohol. The other one is, we are going to talk about aryl alcohol. One is vinyl alcohol. Other one is allyl alcohol. Let me see what is vinyl alcohol. Okay. What is vinyl alcohol actually? What is the structure? CH2 double bond CH single bond OH. Okay. Here what is that? OH is attached to the vinyl group. What is that? This group we can call it as vinyl group. OH is attached to the vinyl group. Okay. See the hybridization. OH is attached to the carbon. This carbon, see, carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is there. So, what is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2. Actually, it is an alkene. What is an alkene? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is unsaturated? The carbon valencies are satisfied by a double or triple bond. So, when the valency of carbon is satisfied by a double bond or triple bond, then it is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Previous case, I told about saturated. What is saturated? The carbon valencies are satisfied by single covalent bond. So, here the carbon valencies are satisfied by a double or triple bond. Here in this case, the valency of carbon is satisfied by a double bond here. So, actually it belongs to the alkene family. Whenever a double bond is there between the carbon, we can say that family as alkene family, unsaturated double bond compounds, alkene. So, actually the hybridization of carbon in alkene is sp2. So, here vinyl alcohol is coming under sp2 hybridization. Here OH is attached to the carbon-carbon double bond, where carbon-carbon double bond, they are coming under alkene family, where the hybridization of carbon is sp2. So, OH is attached to the carbon-carbon double bond, where the hybridization is sp2. The next one, we are going to talk about aryl alcohol. What is aryl alcohol? When OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. When OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. What is the name of this compound? This compound is called as phenol. This compound is called as phenol. Listen here. Here also OH is attached to the carbon. So, what is that? The hybridization of the carbon is sp2. So, when you talk about the structure, we can draw the structure like this also. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So, here when you see the, carbon structure, see the hybridization. See the hybridization of carbon. Listen here. OH is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. Is it not? Here also, what is the hybridization of carbon? sp2 hybridization. So, what is the name of this compound? Phenol. So, the name of this compound is phenol. So, this is the classification of alcohol based on sp2 hybridization. Why it is sp2? Because in both the cases, OH is attached to the doubly bonded carbon, that is unsaturated carbon, which is coming under alkene family, where carbon-carbon double bond as sp2 hybridization. So OH is attached to the carbon having sp2 hybridization. So what is the first type? Vinyl alcohol, CH2 double bond, CH single bond OH. Okay. What is the next one? Aryl alcohol. What is aryl? Benzene ring will be there. OH is directly attached to the benzene ring. You see here, OH is directly attached to the benzene ring, where this OH is attached to the carbon of the benzene ring, where carbon-carbon double bond is there. Once again, this carbon-carbon double bond, what is the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. So this is the next classification based on sp2 hybridization. Okay, up to this classification is over. Now we are going to talk about the nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols. Okay. Let me start with monohydric alcohol. I am giving one example. CH3, CH2, OH. Okay. What is the common name? We are going to see the common name as well as IUPAC. Okay. What is the group attached here? How do we call this group? How do we call this group? Ethyl group. How will you give the common name? See the group attached and add the family. Which family it belongs to? You add that family. So here, what is the group attached? Ethyl group. Which family they belong to? Alcohol family. Why? It has got OH. It has got OH. So definitely it belongs to alcohol family. So what is the common name? Ethyl alcohol. What is the common name? Ethyl alcohol. What is the IUPAC? See the longest chain. See the longest chain. This first carbon, the second carbon. There are two carbon. There are two carbon. So who is the parent? Parent is ethane. Already you would have seen all these things we have seen in the, what is that, 11th standard. So when there are two carbon, who is the root word? Ethane. What is the IUPAC ending for alcohol? IUPAC ending for alcohol is OL. IUPAC ending for alcohol. IUPAC ending for alcohol is OL. So what we have to do? See the parent. Who is the parent here? Ethane is the parent because there are two carbon. What I am going to do? Remove this E from terminal E. Remove this E from the parent and add OL. Remove this E and add OL. What you will get? Ethanol. Remove the C and add OL, you will be getting ethanol. Okay. There is another compound we are going to see. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. What is the name of this compound? Actually, common name, what is that actually? What is the common name for this compound? We can call it as, what is this group? Tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. This group is called tertiary butyl group. So how do we call this group? Tertiary butyl group. So it belongs to alcohol family because OH is there. So what is the common name? Tertiary butyl alcohol. What is the IUPAC? Let me see the longest chain. This is the longest chain. Okay. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon. There are 3 carbon. So who is the parent? Parent is propane. Who is the parent? Parent is propane. What is the IUPAC ending for alcohol? It is OL. Rub the T and add OL. Okay. One side there is OH. Another side there is CH3. See the attachment. Already we have seen the parent. The longest chain is 3 carbon. So parent is propane. I have given the IUPAC ending for alcohol OL. So it is propanol. Now give the position of OH. What is the position of OH? Both OH and methyl groups are attached to second carbon. Both OH and methyl groups are attached to the second carbon. So according to the alphabetical order, how will you give the name? 2-methyl. How do we call this group? Methyl. How do we call this group? Methyl. Okay. What is the attachment of methyl? 2. Okay. So 2-methyl. 2-methyl. What is the attachment of OH? Again it is carbon 2. So 2-methyl 2. Okay. Who is the parent here? Propanol is the parent. So 2-methyl 2-propanol. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. So this is one classification. This is one way of naming. The other one, there is a compound coming like this. A compound is coming like this. See this compound. All the carbon atoms are there in the straight chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is the common name for this compound? See here. All the carbon atoms are there in the straight chain. Whenever all the carbon atoms are there in the straight chain, in the common name, what is the letter we are going to use? N. Normal. N. Okay. How do we call this group? Butyl. N-butyl. Which family it belongs to? As OH is there, it belongs to alcohol family. N-butyl alcohol. Why we are adding N here under common name? Because when all the carbon atoms are there in the straight chain, what is the condition? We have to use the letter N. Normal. For normal, we are using the letter N in the common name. Then you mention the group. What is the group present there? Butyl. So N-butyl. Which family it belongs to? Alcohol family. So N-butyl alcohol. This is the common name. What is the IUPAC? There are 4 carbon. Okay. There are 4 carbon. So who is the parent? Parent is butane. Is it not? There are 4 carbon. Parent is butane. What is the IUPAC ending for OH? It is OL. See the attachment of OH. It is first carbon. OH is attached to the first carbon. Position is 1. Okay. Who is the parent here? Butane. Rub that E and add OL for IUPAC ending. So 1-butanol. So this is the way of naming the alcohol. So we are having 2 different names. Common name and IUPAC. How do we give the common name? Based on the groups present. Alkyl like methyl, ethyl, propyl, isopropyl, neopentyl, tertiary butyl. Along with that you have to include alcohol. And what is the other name? IUPAC. According to IUPAC we have to number the carbon, see the longest chain, see the position of OH and see the position of other substituent also, and according to that you have to name the alcohol. So this is one way of naming. Okay. We are going to see other, what is that, classification, that is alcohols having 2 OH groups. CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay. What is the name of this compound? What is the common name? We can call it as ethylene glycol. What is the common name? Ethylene glycol. What is the IUPAC? What is the IUPAC here? Listen here. There are 2 OH groups attached to the adjacent carbon. Is it not? This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. There are 2 OH groups attached to the, what is that, carbon. This is called as dihydric alcohol. Is it not? Dihydric. What is dihydric? Dihydric means what? There are 2 OH groups attached to the adjacent carbon. OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon, that is carbon 1 and carbon 2. Okay. What is the IUPAC? See the longest chain. How many carbon atoms are there? There are 2 carbon. So who is the parent? Parent is ethane. Is it not? Who is the parent here? Parent is ethane. Okay. What is the position of OH? It is attached to 1 and 2. So how will you name this compound? Ethane. Okay. Parent I have written. The attachment of OH is towards first and second carbon. 1, 2. Okay. See, for OH, IUPAC ending is OL. For 2 hydroxy groups, for 2 alcoholic groups, it is diol. So ethane 1, 2 diol. So this is one, what is that? Dihydric alcohol. The next one, we are going to talk about trihydric alcohol. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. What is this actually? It is a trihydric alcohol. See here, there are 3 OH groups. So we can call it as trihydric. Trihydric. Okay. What is the common name for this compound? Glycerol. Okay. What is the IUPAC? See, the OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon. See the, what is that longest chain? There are 3 carbon. So who is the parent here? Parent is propane. So parent is propane. There are 3 OH groups. How do we give the IUPAC ending? For 1 OH, ol. For 2 OH, diol. For 3 OH, triol. So how will you give the IUPAC? I have given, I have named the parent as propane. Okay. Propane. Okay. What is the position of attachment? OH groups are attached to the adjacent carbon 1, 2, 3. So propane 1, 2, 3. As there are 3 OH, the IUPAC ending is triol. So up to this, I told about the, what is that, nomenclature of monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohol. Under each, I have given 2 examples. So I want everybody to go through this. At least one time you practice as homework so that you will have some clarity. If you like this video, you please click the subscribe button. You will be getting the latest updates of our online lessons. Thank you, children.